My favorite subject at school is science. I love science because it helps us understand the world around us. In science class, we learn about plants, animals, space, and even the human body. We get to do fun experiments like making volcanoes erupt with baking soda and vinegar, or looking at tiny bugs through a microscope. Science teaches us how things work, like why the sky is blue or how rainbows are made. My teacher makes learning fun by telling us cool facts and showing us videos of amazing discoveries. Sometimes, we even get to go on field trips to places like science museums or nature parks. Like asking questions and finding out the answers through experiments and research. Science is exciting because there's always something new to learn. It makes me feel like a real detective, solving mysteries of the natural world. I enjoy sharing what I learn with my friends and family. Science is not just about learning facts, it's about being curious and exploring. That's why science is my favorite subject, and I can't wait to see what new things we will discover next.